video I will tell you how you can install Garuda OS in your VMware. So first of all you need to go to the file tab in your VMware. Now you will get the link of downloading VMware as well as the ISO of the Garuda OS in the description below. You can download it from there. So first of all you need to go to the file tab, then click on create new virtual machine, then put it to default, that is typical installation. Click next, then select the last option, that is I will install the operating system later. Hit next and keep it as default, that is Linux Ubuntu, and hit next. Then type here, you can type the name of your virtual machine. So I am typing here Garuda OS. Okay, from here you can change the location. If you want to uh, install it on a particular location, you can change it from here. So let me change it. Okay, so I have changed the location. Now I will click on next. Then you can give the size of your hard disk, so I will keep it as 20 GB. Then click on next. Now you can select one of this option. If you want to install your Garuda OS in multiple files, that means multiple hard drive files, then you can select the second option. Or if you want them in a single file, then you can select the first option. So I will select the second option and click on next. Then as you can see, or you can from here you can verify all the settings. If you want to customize them, you can go here, customize hardware. So I will finish it. Okay, now from here you can edit your virtual machine. You can see this option, just click on it, this, then go to CD DVD, and from here click use ISO file image. Then just to go to your file explorer and uh, select the ISO file of Garuda OS. So where you have installed, just select it and click on open. Once you selected it, just click on OK. Now our setup has been done. So now we can power on the machine, and we can move ahead with the installation process. So just power on your virtual machine and just enter. Now it will take some time to boot up, so let us wait for that much time. Okay, so once the booting process is done, you will see the desktop environment of the Garuda OS. So now you need to click on the install Garuda OS option. Now you can see over here your installation will start over here. So from here you can choose your language. So I will keep it as default, that is American English, and click on next. Then from here you can choose your time zone. So I will choose Asia, and from here Kolkata. Then click on next. Then you can choose your keyboard layout from here. So I will select English, click next. Then from here, if you want, you can do manual partitioning, or if you want, you can erase the text and install it over there. So I will select the first option, that is install it by erasing the disk. So if you want to create swap partition, you can create that too. So I do not need, because I am using in VMware. So just click on next. Then over here you can type your name, your username and all. So just I will give the, my name. Then I have given over here the username, so the name that will be displayed to you when you will log in. And over here this is your PC name that will be by default generated by this your operating system. Now you can, if you want, you can change it to. And then from here you can give the password. So okay, now I have given the password. Then you can select over here if you want to automatically log in when you will. That means it will not ask you about your password at the login time. Okay, now I will not select this option. If you want, you can select this option, that is use the same password for the administrative account as well. That means the root account. Okay, then click on next, and over here just click on install, then install now. So now your installation will begin, and once this is completed you will be start using your Garuda OS. So just wait until it is completed. So now you can see our installation is completed. Now we need to just restart our PC, and then we can start using our Garuda OS. So just click on restart now and click on done. Now we can start using our Garuda OS. So this is how you can install Garuda OS on your VMware Workstation Pro.